Why is nitrogen gas used in inflating aircraft tires instead of air? A curious question, isn't it? Contrary to what one might naturally assume, the tires of these magnificent flying machines aren't filled with the same air we breathe. Instead, they're inflated with nitrogen gas. It's no random decision, but one deeply rooted in scientific principles. Intrigued? Stick with us to uncover the scientific reasons behind this fascinating choice. Diving into the science of it, nitrogen has some unique properties that make it the ideal choice for inflating aircraft tires. Let's start with the size of nitrogen molecules. They're larger than oxygen molecules, which means they don't leak out of tires as quickly. This slow leakage rate allows tires to maintain their pressure longer, providing a safer and more efficient flight experience. Then there's the issue of reactivity. Oxygen, which makes up about 21% of the air we breathe, is quite reactive. It can combine readily with other elements, sometimes leading to combustion. Nitrogen, on the other hand, is far less reactive. This decreased reactivity reduces the risk of tire combustion, a crucial safety consideration for all aircraft. Next, consider moisture. Regular air contains water vapor, which can lead to damage inside the tire due to temperature fluctuations during flight. Nitrogen, being dry, minimizes this moisture content, thus enhancing the lifespan of the tire. Finally, nitrogen's high stability plays a vital role. This stability ensures that the tire pressure remains consistent regardless of the external temperature, a property that's especially important when you consider the extreme temperature changes an aircraft tire undergoes, from the scorching tarmac to the freezing high altitudes. So, the choice of nitrogen over air in aircraft tires is not arbitrary, but a well-thought-out decision backed by science. In a nutshell, nitrogen triumphs over air for inflating aircraft tires due to several reasons. We've delved into the science of it all, and it's clear that nitrogen has some significant advantages over regular air. Firstly, nitrogen molecules are larger than those found in air, which means they leak out of tires at a much slower pace. This ensures that aircraft tires maintain their pressure for longer periods, crucial for those long-haul flights. Secondly, nitrogen is an inert gas, which means it's less likely to support combustion. This reduces the risk of tire fires, a safety feature that's hard to overlook. Thirdly, nitrogen is a dry gas. It contains less moisture than air, which minimizes the risk of ice crystals forming at high altitudes or rust developing inside the wheel. Lastly, the consistent pressure provided by nitrogen results in less wear and tear, extending the life of the tire. So the next time you're boarding a flight, remember, it's nitrogen that powers those tires as they touch down the runway.